How did you get started in this restaurant?
Well, we first got started in 2017. The old concept of the restaurant in 2017 in Maricopa, Arizona. I had a barber shop, the cut barber shop to be exact. My barber was Terrence, so he always like, yo, Jamaica, when you gonna start cooking up some food, man, and fly a Jamaican restaurant? We need some Jamaican food around here. But I was like, man, the Caribbean population in Arizona is small.
Right.
So I couldn't see the business. But actually, I was looking at it wrong. I should be targeting the people in Arizona that love the Caribbean.
Yeah.
And there's plenty of that. Okay. So that's how we started up in 2017, right on the side of the road at the Cup Barber Shop in Maricopa.
So, where are you from?
I am from Ocho Rios, Jamaica.
Okay.
Yeah, so I named the restaurant off my city. Yes. Ocho Rios meaning 8 rivers in English, but it's a city in Jamaica.
Okay.
Yes.
And when did you move to America?
Oh, I came to America when I was 17, a long, long time ago. Probably before you were born, dude. But I moved to Arizona in 2022. Came here to visit, actually. Never left.
So how long you been cooking?
Well, in Jamaica, cooking come natural. You learn how to cook without someone even teaching you. Okay. You know what I mean? Because at home, you stay in the kitchen. They ask you to do, season this up, hand me that, check the pot for me. It's natural. Cooking comes natural in Jamaica. At least most of them.
The first thing you ever cooked?
Stoopies. The first thing I ever cooked was stoopies. That's an authentic Jamaican meal right there. Not a lot of people cook it.
What exactly is it?
Stoopies now. See, like how you have the rice and beans and you serve the meat on the side? Stoopies is the opposite way. This time you cook the beans with the meat and the rice served on the side. So it's just a reverse rice and peas. And we serve stoopies here in Ocho Rios only on the weekends. Because there's not a lot of people that knows about it. That's our authentic Jamaican meal. It's mostly only Jamaicans that knows about it.
And what about, like, as far as your drinks?
The drinks, we have a lot of natural juice. So we have, come on, let me show you. The pine and ginger, fruit punch. This is the Jamaica I'm talking about. We call it sour. In Mexico, they call it Jamaica. This is cucumber, mango. That's the sour sop. You make it two different, well, you sweeten it 2 different ways. You could use lime and sugar for like the people that are vegetarian, vegan, that doesn't eat dairy. Yeah. You sweeten that with lime and sugar, or you could use the sweet condensed milk to sweeten it. And this is supposed to be carrot, but I have to make some more too. But this is the #1 seller.
Jerk chicken for you. You see the fireness. The fireness. I'm about to dig in. Your boy's about to dig in. Let's get to it. Just like that, your boy is done, man. I done did the damage. Yeah, your boy did the damage. You see what it's about here at Ocho Rios. Make sure you come down, have a drink, get some food, get some jerk chicken like me, or get the oxtails, whatever you want to do, man. Just know, this is the place to be right here.